This video will walk you through the pick, pack, and dispatch process. We have created a flexible, modular approach to processing sales orders, so you can use a combination of PC, the Android Stock app, and paper to match your business model. In this video, we will pick and pack using the Android Stock app, using barcode scanning to confirm we have picked and packed the correct items in the correct quantity. Sales orders from all your B2B and B2C sales channels arrive in your Stok.ly sales order dashboard in real time. Step 1. Fulfillment rules run and assign items to courier and freight services. These rules can be scheduled to run automatically, or you can process sales orders manually in batches at any time. Sales orders change status to processed, and goods out notes are created. Create custom goods out notes for each sales channel using the custom document builder. Step 2. Pick rules create batch pick lists. Pick rules can run automatically, or you can create batch pick lists manually. If you want to go digital, batch pick lists are pushed automatically to your Android Stock app for your warehouse team to start picking using barcode scanning to ensure the correct items are picked and record the movement of stock from the rack onto your pick trolley. Step 3. Complete the pick using the Android Stock app. Use barcode scanning to cut pick errors and increase the speed of picking. The Stock app makes an error sound if the wrong item is scanned or too many items are scanned. Pick routes are planned using rack or storage locations to optimize pick routes. Step 4. Use PCs or the Stock app to pack items, print courier and freight labels on demand, and dispatch items. Once an item is dispatched, the sales order on your e-commerce channel will be updated to dispatched status. The courier tracking code will be sent to your customer, and your custom goods out note can be printed or emailed to your customer. For B2B orders, invoices can be generated automatically on dispatch for part or fully shipped orders and synced in real time with your accounting platform, ready for bank reconciliation. Get in touch with us today by emailing the team at sales@stok.ly or find us at www.stok.ly. Let's get your pick, pack, and dispatch process humming and your warehouse ready to scale.